दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना हांच्यांनी रेल्वे ट्रॅकाच्या दोट्टीकरणाक विरोध केला. भलायकी कर्मचाऱ्यांक रेग्युलरायज करचे, मायनिंग आनी पर्यटन वेवसाय सुरू करचे तशेंच शेतकाऱ्यांक आदार करचो म्हण ह्या वेळार तांणी मागणी केल्या. तशेंच जनतेन कोविड दुयेंत गोंयांत ना करपाक सरकाराक सहकार्य करचे म्हण ह्या वेळार सार्दिन उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The next thing I would like to speak about austerity measures. Government has no money because there is no revenue. I know they have taken austerity measures, but it is not enough. People here are starving. So there are two things. Mining, government should try their level best to restart mining legally. And the second theme is to bring back our tourism. So far, the tourism minister has not even had a discussion with stakeholders. Normally, this is the sickness of this government. They think they know too much. Immediately, they should take the views of stakeholders and start tourism or whatever, anything related with tourism, so that sooner or later, when COVID decreases or is done away with, tourism starts full-fledged, because that is only other business or the revenue that is left to the government. I would like to bring to the notice of the health minister. I know you all need more workers because you all are trying to increase the number of centers under COVID. And all your health personnel, like nurses, doctors, are working overtime. And there are nurses who have not been regularized and who are working for more than 5 years. Here, I request him, please regularize them as early as possible.
सध्या सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान मोठ्या प्रमाणात झाडां कापपाचें काम सुरू जालां मोले सायडीन. ताजेर तुमचें कितें आसा?
It is very unfortunate की फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान सरकारान आमकां 2 लायनो नाकात. एक लायन आहा ती ब्रॉड केल्या विदॉन मायंड, मातशें कितें ब्रॉड केली, पूण आनी सेपरेट लायन आमकां गोंयांत नाका. आनी आमचोय गुन्यांव की आमी हाटाय म्हूण हांव नेणा आशिल्लो. आतां म्हाका कळ्ळा, आय विल टेक इट अप, बट आय होप इट विल नॉट बी टू लेट. Only one thing I request them. Please maintain all the rules and regulations. You all have suffered enough. Here, they should keep away the COVID-19 from themselves and also from others. Please cooperate with the government, and whatever things they have to maintain, they should continue doing this till they are confirmed totally negative, so that they don't punish themselves, their relatives, and their neighbors and others.